Welcome to Bedtime Bartender. My name is Matthew, and on this channel we learn how to make drinks after the babies go to bed. Tonight we're making dessert cocktails, and we're going to get started with one that I'm dubbing the Tiramisu Cocktail, an inspiration from cookingchicks.com Tiramisu Martini. The story goes that they wanted dessert and they didn't have anything sweet in the house, so they whipped up something sweet in a cocktail form. So I took that idea and I ran with it a little bit, and you're going to see we're going to add an egg white to our cocktail. Very poorly. This egg just broke so bad. It just broke so terribly. So, egg white in the cocktail. We're immediately changing it from a martini, which would pretty much never have an egg white in it. And we're going to add 2 ounces of vodka. We're going to add 1 ounce, 2 ounces, 60 ml, 1 ounce, 30 ml of Mr. Black. Mr. Black is a coffee liqueur. You haven't seen it on the channel before yet. I have 3 different ones. We've got Kahlua, which is a little bit sweeter. Got Mr. Black, which is not so sweet. And we have espresso liqueur, which is a little bit sharper. So as I was playing around, Mr. Black worked the best for me. Now we need some DISARONNO or almond liqueur if you've got it. Half an ounce or 15 ml. And because you would normally use vanilla vodka in this, we're going with some Liqueur 43, half an ounce or 15 ml. I'm not the biggest fan of vanilla vodka. Maybe if I had made my own infused, I might do so differently. I tried the whipped stuff. It just wasn't working for me. So, Liqueur 43 it is. Half an ounce again of some heavy cream. 15 ml. And then we need to dry shake this. Oh, by the way, my wife got this for me for my birthday, and I'm very excited about it. This is a weighted tin versus the other tin that I used to have. Well, I still have it, but it's actually really nice to shake with. So about 20 to 30 seconds on that, and then let's grab some ice. Chilling down my glass here, we'll go ahead and grab the ice out of that. Turn this guy upside down, draining the excess, and 10 to 15 on this one. It's not a normal, like a sour, and we've got cream in here, so we don't want to whip it too much. Normally it'd be like the 10-10-10 rule, or 10 and then 30. We're just kind of guesstimating based on the sound and how frothy you want it. I'm going to say 20. I'm also going to say this is a good lock on this new tin. Okay, so double strain into our coupe glass. And we'll set this guy aside. Set the shaker aside. And we're gonna grab some dark chocolate, because I think this drink is really complemented by a dark chocolate garnish. You can go as much or as little as you like. There we have the tiramisu cocktail. I almost don't want to drink it because it's so pretty. And foamy. Oh man, that's good. Well, if you like tiramisu, you like cocktails, you're probably gonna like this. Moving on to our second drink, I'm calling this one, confusingly, the My Pineapple Upside Down Tie. Let me try it again. The My Pineapple Upside Down Tie. I know what you're thinking. That's a really confusing name. And you're correct. It is. And I had two names for it, and I decided on this one. The other one was worse. So we're gonna get started by rimming our glass with some maraschino cherry liquid. And some crushed up and sifted shortbread cookie. So when I was playing around with this drink, I was trying to come up with this cake flavor. And sure, there are cake flavored things out there, but one of my favorite desserts is a pineapple upside down cake. And my wife makes a really beautiful one. So I wanted to try to emulate that in flavor. And this is what I came up with. So I took a cookie, I crushed it all up, I sifted everything through so it'd be nice and fine. And really what you're getting with this is the smell. You're gonna get a little bit of taste and texture, but it's mostly about the smell. So we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna start building our drink. We need 2 ounces or 60 ml of pineapple rum. I'm using this Plantation. If you've got a different one out there, then go for it. And then we need some pineapple juice. I don't have a lot of fresh pineapples sitting around the house. We are going with canned stuff. Normally, you know me, I'm an advocate for fresh, but I've made the drink this way and it tastes great. 1 ounce or 30 ml of pineapple juice. Half an ounce of triple syrup. That's 15 ml. We need half an ounce of liqueur 43. 15 ml. So yes, this is a very sweet drink, but this is a dessert drink, so there you go. Maraschino liqueur. I'm going with LUXARDO. We need a good bar spoon. If it spills over, it's okay, but you don't want something like a full 1/4 ounce or a full 1/2 ounce. This stuff tends to be just a hair sharp. If you're using a different maraschino liqueur, then you might have to adjust it. Now let's grab some ice. And we'll move some things around just to make it easier. So you know what I forgot to do? I forgot that I really would like, just like the pineapple upside down cake has those cherries around the pineapple, I wanted one at the bottom of your glass to be able to finish your drink. And the perfect thing about a coupe glass or a martini glass or a champagne glass, something like that, is that it's got this little divot right here and it fits perfectly inside. So we're gonna pour the drink right over the top. All right, move that back around and ice. Lock your tin, 10 to 15 seconds. looks good. The other one leaked all the time when I was trying to do something like a sour. This one does not. I'm very, very happy about that. So what I'd like to do is to double strain this, because I don't want any of those ice pieces in there like I would on an actual Mai Tai. Because this is not a Mai Tai. This is a Mai Pineapple Upside Down Tai. Okay. Oh, it smells like cake and pineapple and cherry. It's really good. It's really, really good, and I'm proud of this one. This one I had to work on a little bit to get the flavors right. And I really hope you like it. I hope you try it, and let me know if you did. So last but not least, we have the Banana Alexander. This is a play on a very classic cocktail called Brandy Alexander, and this recipe is from imbibemagazine.com. We are going to need 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of brandy. Whoa, almost got away from me. I got it though. We're gonna need 1 ounce or 30 ml of crème de banana. I'm using Tempest Fugit. Spirits is good stuff. Really, really good stuff. I've changed, I still kept it, but I've changed from using the Drilliard's banana liqueur to this. It's got a lot more caramel flavor, like toastiness, and tastes like real banana. It's incredible. 1 ounce, or no, yes, 1 ounce or 30 ml of heavy cream. And then we need some ice. (10 to 15, of course. This one, you know, like I always say, the magic number is 12. This one I really try to go to about 15. You can start to hear that heavy cream like solidify, I guess. And you'll know it's ready, but you know, a quick count in my head confirms as well. So let's grab our strainer. We're going to double strain into a Nick and Nora glass. And then two things. This drink is going to get some nutmeg. As much or as little as you would like. I like a good amount. And then what we're also going to need is some orange peel. We are just going to zest it over the top. You are more than welcome to drop it in the drink, put it on top, whatever you would like to do. I am not going to do that. I think it looks nice and pretty just the way it is. So there we have the Banana Alexander. It smells good. It tastes good. This is a perfect play on a very classic cocktail, and I highly suggest you try it, especially with some real banana flavor creme de banana. It is excellent. So tonight we made dessert cocktails. This is the Tiramisu Cocktail, the My Pineapple Upside Down Tai, I know it's a mouthful, and last but not least, the Banana Alexander. If you like the video, hit the button and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one of these is your favorite. Or if you have a dessert that you want me to make into a cocktail, I want to do that. My wife just told me that that would be a good idea, and I think it's awesome. So hit the bell for notifications, and we will see you next time. Be good to each other.